Hi, it's Phil Greenough, and we're here today with the next in our series of conversations with industry leaders. Today's focus is on Mitch Tyson, CEO of Advanced Electron Beams and one of the visionaries in the green technology space. A lot of the stimulus discussion, too, is around this so-called green-collar jobs. And I know there are a lot of people who say these jobs don't really exist, or these jobs are not, they exist, but they're not going to be on the scale. I mean, what's your point of view on green-collar jobs?
Well, it's a funny thing. I mean, what is a green-collar job? Is my job a green-collar job? I'm CEO of a clean tech startup. Yes, I think I have a green-collar job. Now, in our company, we hire electrical engineers, and we hire physicists, and we hire mechanical engineers. We hire assembly people. I mean, our company is in the clean tech space, so I presume they're all green-collar jobs. Yeah. So when I try to tell people who are looking to come into the industry, to some degree, every skill is needed in the industry. I mean, people, administration and finance and HR, all of those jobs are needed in the clean tech. What you maybe need is the passion and understanding that what we are doing is not just selling something, but you're helping to reduce energy use, and you're helping to improve the environment. And so I would argue, I'm sure other people have different perspectives on it, I think all jobs are potentially green-collar jobs. Now, there may be certain skill sets that are required, so that if you're in weatherization or solar installing, there is a need for more people with the technical skills to do those kind of installation jobs. So that gets a lot of attention in the green-collar area. And I think that's an important one, that there'd be job training. But to some degree, the people doing the job training for green-collar jobs need to talk to all of the companies, like us as well. What are the skill sets you're going to be looking for?
Now, that's terrific perspective for everybody. Talk a bit about this. You invest a lot of your time helping the broad, clean, green industry. And talk about what's the benefit of that. So New England Clean Energy, and I know there's more and more and more. What's the value of companies working together? Is there some clear-cut objective to that? Is it give some perspective on that?
It's a soft benefit. I mean, maybe the way I've articulated it is that, look, I don't want to be the only tree in the forest. I want my company to grow in a forest surrounded by other clean tech companies. So I like being part of a community of common interests. And so, in fact, I learn from other companies that are doing clean energy stuff. And we share a passion. We share an approach. We want to make sure that public policy encourages innovative companies. We want to make sure that public policy encourages the right solutions to energy, that regulations don't prevent new technologies from coming through. So we have a broad set of common interests. Our feeling when we established the New England Clean Energy Council was that if we could bring together the parts of the cluster, companies like us, but also the venture capital community, the universities, the legal service providers, the PR companies, all of the people that contribute to the cluster, bring them together and get dialogues going. So many of the problems, the siting issue, the availability of workers, getting research out of universities into companies, all of those things require collaboration. And if we can collaborate better in New England, then we can capitalize on a set of assets that we have here that are unsurpassed anywhere in the world. I mean, we don't have coal, we don't have oil, we don't have a lot of sun, we don't have those natural resources. What we have is in innovation. We have entrepreneurial spirit, we have technology. And if we can tap that and accelerate it, then people will look to this region as the place where new energy technologies come from.
Very exciting.
And it's important to our local economy.
So closer to home, when you think about AB, and I think you painted an incredibly positive and picture of what's ahead, what are the biggest challenges as you see it for you in your chair close to home as CEO of a startup in this environment where so many, I mean, we could go on for hours talking about the circumstances we're in right now. How do you bring focus to your work every day so that you live to operate another day and another month and another year and you're allowed to really see your vision come to life?
It's a great question, and it's you just have to be a master juggler. There are so many things on a day-to-day basis that need to be done. So I think the two keys on that is, one, keeping sight of the vision. Understand what the goal is and what we need to be doing, and the focus on helping to diffuse this innovation and helping our focus on our customers, making it easy for them to change. The other one is hiring great talent and empowering them. We have a great management team here, so I can go and focus. I can go to Washington. I can spend time with you. I can go and spend time with our investors because we've got so many great executives here that are managing the day-to-day, managing the customer side, the service side, the engineering, the operations, the finance. So it's a question of really getting great, talented people who also are passionate, also people who are collaborative, who really want to work as part of a team, like the Red Sox or the Celtics or the Patriots. That metaphor in our local sports is so tangible. And I talk about it to our employees all the time. Every Monday morning when we get all our employees together, what we start talking about, how the sports teams did that weekend. But what great lessons about working together. When you have a complex task, and a sports team like that is a very complex set of interactions, what we're trying to do to get industries to revolutionize the way they use a certain technology, it's very complex. We've got to work together as a team, share information, make sure the handoffs are right, and not worry about who's doing what, but just make sure the job gets done.
Yeah, I mean, I think we both agree that the best teams are just they're greater than the sum of the parts, right? There are all those intangibles that go into it, that trust and that sense of confidence as you gain throughout whatever the period of competition is, and I think I see clearly for AAB those kinds of pieces falling into place. So, I mean, this has been great. We've covered so much ground. I don't know if there's anything else that's on your mind that you want to add to the conversation, but this is great.
It's great talking to you about all these things. You know, obviously we're very excited about it. We love trying to get our message out, and you guys help us quite a bit in that. But you know, the number of industries we focused on 3: surface sterilization and curing and engineered materials and air pollution. There are another dozen different ways of using electron beams that we would love to get to start to focus on. We've got to move our core markets forward first, a little bit of discipline that we need to have. But, you know, one day we hope everyone will be talking about electron beams.
So thank you very much. It was Mitch Tyson. Thank you for viewing our conversation with Mitch Tyson. For more information about AAB, go to its website. And for more information about our ongoing conversations, go to our blog. Thank you.